I do. What I'm going to do today is talk about something that really annoys me. You know the time where you copy some data from Excel into a Word document and it just doesn't fit properly. So here I've got an example of some that I've done earlier. Um, and what I'm going to do first off is just change my layout of my page into landscape. Just I find sometimes that just shows me a wee bit more. Now I'm also going to zoom out of this document so we can see um, specifically the ruler up the top. So on the ruler I can see the little column marks and I can see that this column is outside the document. So what I'm going to do is just move that in. And we've got another one going on there. So I'm just going to move all this in. So while I'm in this view, I'm just going to move everything across so I can see the document. I'm not worried about how it looks at the moment because at the moment my biggest issue is getting everything to fit on the page. I don't want that. So I'm just going to carry on doing this just until we get everything on. There we go. So that's the easiest way that I find that I can actually have a look at my table and fit it on by zooming down and using these bars here. It saves a lot of stress. I could have done that in portrait landscape, portrait orientation as well, but doing it this way, it just giving me a wee bit more real estate to work with. So I hope you found that helpful because I know it drives me absolutely to distraction. So that was another CompSkill how-to video. I'd love you all to subscribe to our channel, and until the next one, goodbye and have a good day. Thank you.